Okay, this side mirror have had a hit not so long ago and it's not retracting anymore. And this front panel is broken as well. So let's remove the side mirror first and look why it's not retracting anymore. Okay, I can see a piece here was broken. If you compare to this side, this one is good, this one is bad. What I'm willing to do is to connect this mirror like this back to the car and look if this motor will turn without anything on it. Let's connect this back. And now let's push the retraction button to see how this motor will act. Alright. Okay, the test was a success. It was this piece of plastic which was stuck in between the motor, in between there, and it didn't allow the motor to do its job. The mirror is in one piece now about this cover. I can see that this one is being repaired, and I could try to repair this, but I'm just willing to buy another. For you it's going to be a moment and I need to order this first and the video will continue. I have assembled this without knowing that I was not recording, but basically it's the same process, just reversed. Let's see the new one. This one is good, but as we can see, it comes like in color of plastic, so there is a paint job to do. So what I'm going to do, first I'm going to clean the surface with my brake cleaner. Then I'm going with 2 layers of primer. After that I'm doing 2 layers of paint, which is by the way custom made, so you need your paint code to be able to get the right one. And when it's all done, we're going with clear varnish, and last step is to polish the surface. It's very nice in theory, but I've never done this before, so it's a first time for me as well. So first let's go with brake cleaner. I'm using brake cleaner because I don't have alcohol here. It has to do the same job, but this is just more expensive. Okay, spray can, primer, first layer. Bismillah. What the hell? I forgot to shake it, so there is a small ball here. Shake your spray can before you use it. Shit. Okay, after some time, I corrected my mistake. I have sandpapered this with 800 grids, 1000 and 2500 as final touch. It doesn't look that nice anymore, but when you touch it, it's very smooth, so I think it's gonna be okay. Alright, let's start again. Brake cleaner to clean the surface. Now let's shake this for about, I don't know, 2 minutes, 3 minutes or something. Then it should do the job. I don't want to do this too much. I'm going to let it sit like this for some time and then we'll see what we have. But I already see here a line of paint which I don't like. So what I have here is a paint droplet like this, which must go away. Here I didn't paint at all, and overall it's bad. Like I said, it's not my thing at all, but yeah. So I'm going to sandpaper this area and just will go over to make it even, and we'll try the second layer. So first I go with grid 800 just to take those big spots. Okay, let's give it another shot. I hope this time it's going to be better. By the way, let's not forget the opposite side. I will just go with few layers of primer there, just to make it white, that's it. This side is actually much better. Now I'm going to use a custom-made paint, which must be the final color, and after that we'll do clear coat few layers, and then we'll polish the thing. Let's go with second layer. Now I'm gonna have some tea and I'll do one more layer. Let's let it dry for about, I'm gonna take half hour, and then we'll do clear coat, varnish, 2 layers at least, and we'll see from there. Okay, this is just a simple clear varnish, clear coat. Let's do for sure 2 layers, and after that we'll see. Layer 1. Alright, layer 3. That should do it. Now I'm going to leave this to dry till tomorrow, because I don't have any special equipment. I'm gonna just leave it like this, and tomorrow I will polish it and we'll see the end result. Alright, it's the next day now. This thing been drying all night. Let's see. I must say, it's not bad at all. It's not that shiny, but we can fix that by polishing it in a moment. But I think it's a success. So there it is. Now I'm going to wash this car and I'll show you the end result. Okay, let's see result now. This is the old one. Let's compare it with new one.